up, guys? So kind of got ahead of myself, already masked off the headlights. Today we are restoring them using the 3M headlight restoration kit. Comes with the different pads. I think it's like 3 or 4 different pads, going from very coarse grit sandpaper to fine to the buffer pad. Comes with a little bit of rubbing compound in there, and this is the one that uses the drill attachment. So as you can see, these headlights are not in the best of shape. They're not horrible, but they definitely can be cleared up. Help out a little bit at night for sure. Let's fast forward from this point on. We masked them. Let's do a close up of this. Oxidation. There you can see the film already. See that? Nasty, yellowish kind of a tint. The battery or the card died or finished up on my little GoPro, but finished product right there. It's pretty good. Didn't even see that like film or whatever, that separation that it had. Car's really dirty right now, but how's that? That looks pretty good. A lot better than it did. About to wash this up. I got all kinds of splatter everywhere after I washed the car. I got to wipe down under the engine bay. Just horrible. I had a towel over it, but still got all around the exterior of the bay. It's alright. Needed a wipe down probably anyways, but wash this puppy up. All finished up, car all washed, wiped down the engine bay. Slightly better. Bottoms kind of suck. I don't know. Overall, Slightly better, but not really satisfied, to be honest. I don't know, still seem kind of glary in the sunlight. When it's nighttime or my shadow on the way, it actually looks pretty good. Looks a little bit better, but for the work that went in, I think it should have been better, to be honest. But $13, that's cool. I don't know, what do you guys think?